back to my channel. It's M&M here. So we're back guys with another video. And our video for today guys will be a little different kasi kasama ko si Mama.
Hello.
So siya yung may pakana ng video na to guys. So isang araw guys meron siyang ginagawa. Alam niyo ba yung sa nyog? Yung, ano ba tawag dito ma? Bunote? Ano ba tawag dito? Yung bunote guys, ito. So, yung coconut husk ba? Hindi ako sure. Basta ito guys, yung sa ano ng nyog. So, one time, lagi namin siya nakikita na naggaganto-ganto lang siya. So, tinatanggal-tanggal lang niya itong tapos iniipon niya sa sako. So, ayun, minsan tinatawanan namin or kung anong ginagawa, akala namin kasi nilalagay niya sa halaman. Kasi before, di ba ginagamit namin siya sa halaman. So, meron pala siyang project na tinatawag. Ang tinatawag niya is Project 101. So, nung una guys, hindi namin siya pinapansin. Tapos nung nakabuo na siya ng isa, so, ayun, nag-aano na kami, parang tawag doon, pinapansin na namin siya. Tapos, yung finished product, yun, may mga pangalan na. Tapos, ito siya guys. So, ito, you can see, unan guys. Gumawa siya ng unan. So, ang dami na niyang nagawa. Quanto guys? Ano? 10. So, 10 na yung nagawa niyang unan. So, tuturuan niya tayo kung paano gawin to. So, ito si Mama.
Ano muna, kunin tayo ng bonote. Yung bonote ito, tatagod ko yun. This one, no? Pagkatapos, you remove this one, like this. And then, pagkatapos removing it, you place in this one, master, or maybe this one, because there are plenty already. I placed already. And then you make it like this. Very, like that, no? Then you place inside here. After that, after finishing here, doing this, you try to push down this bunote. I do not know what to call this. Bunote ng kuhan ng nyog. And then basically, then try to make it like this, parang pilo. No, I did not know. I am doing something I do not know. And then, I siguro mabuti ito para unan. Ang sabi ko to myself. Kasi laking ako, apilo. Ang sabi ko sa husband ko, Don, halika. Mira to stay. Tignan mo ito. Parang, abada na unakot yung dagwane. Hindi, sopa namin, nasira naman. Maraming ganyan. What I do, I got the coconut. This coconut na kani lahat. We have plenty. We have coconut here. Coconut tree. And the fruits are just falling down. So I got the coconut and I asked my husband, Don, kurta. You cut. Make it like this. So he helped me. Dalawa kami doing this. After that, andito na, no? Okay na. Doon naman natin. Yeah. Okay na. Tignan ko. Hindi ba yun? Then, after that, I saw, ang sabi ko sa husband ko, I saw tayo, I will saw. So, I saw this. It looks like this. It looks like this. And then, after doing this, ugly. Ang sabi ko sa husband ko, ay, ugly. Saka kita tihera. Get, what is it?
Scissor?
You remove this. Hmm? So that it will look nicer. So I did it like this without knowing, without what is this? Tijeras. Wait, sorry. I will get another scissor para you will see the effect. Pwede ma, libaki. Then you try to make it like that. And then you cut. You cut carefully. Tingnan ko siya. Alright. Tapos again, you need to make it like this para it will be tender. Then after this, after that, you get this one. Lamaste ko sa Chabacano, casco to cover this. Please this casco. You know, parang pillow. Then, after that, you get the pillowcase.
Do you sew first?
This one, if you like to sew this, you can sew. Pero mas bonito pa, much better, do not sew anymore. So that when this is dirty na, you can just remove right away and place punda. This one. That is why when you place inside here sa punda, do not be this one first. This one. Then, alright. Alright. Ganyan, ganyan. Don't force. Little by little. Do not force. If you will force, it will not look better. Not like that. You can even make dancing. You see? Oh, place your hand inside. Then, you push little by little. Patient. Little by little. Then turn. Again here. Here. Anyway, I'm already soaked because of the bunote. There. See? You know. You see. It looks better now. Right, see? It's already inside. Then, you close this. You see? Yeah, like that. Now, lay me down to sleep. You can put This is very good for the children because they're soft. If you like to remove, you remove na lang.
Okay na?
Thank you for looking at my new invention. I have nothing to do at home. Senior citizen man. Palagi na lang ko upo na upo. You see, I am boring already. That is why maybe I will do something. Somebody bought already. Dalawa. I'm selling this. Very cheap. If you like, order. Bye-bye. Thank you for serving.
Yan. Ayan guys, thanks so much guys. So, ayan guys, yung guest natin, di ba? So, ang ganda ng ginawa ni mama ko. So, yun, wala nga siya kasing ginagawa dito. I mean, after niya kasi mga hapon, so nakaupo na lang siya dito. And nakikita niya yung mga bonote, sobrang dami. Tapos, sinusunog lang ni Papa. So, yun, ginawa na niya yun. And, nakabenta na rin pala siya ng dalawa. So, income na siya, guys. So, extra income. So, you can do this, guys, kasi alam ko mahal yung unan sa SM. Kasi bumili ako dati sa SM. And, yun, pwede na rin to, guys, kung wala tayong budget. So, mga budget, gawa na lang tayo ng ganun kung marami naman. Kasi, yun, gaya nun, sako lang ng bigas. Kasi araw-araw naman tayong bumibili ng bigas. So, tas meron tayong coconut, kung meron man. Kahit ano naman pwede ilagay Pero, since kami kasi marami kaming coconut dito, yun yung ginamit namin sa unan. Tapos, yung mga naman is, yung mga tela lang yun, extra tela or mga damit na luma. Tapos yun, itatahi lang siya para pwedeng pang takip doon sa unan. Tapos yung punda, binili na lang namin 3 for 100. So, ayun guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. This is M&M and this is Lola Carmen. And thank you so much guys. I hope you subscribe to our channel. Like nyo na rin yung video and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos namin. See you guys. Muchísimas gracias. Adios! Bye!
See you later.
Ito na guys yung sample. You see guys. So, ito yung sa akin. Joke lang. Malaki guys. Tapos ito. Ito yung 25 kilos na rice. Tapos ito yung... Yep. Thanks so much guys. Nadumihan na.